Estimating a sum. What is estimating a sum? Estimating a sum is separately rounded up addends and summing their rounded estimates. All right. In our previous videos, I've taught you how to round up and round down. You know, the 3 simple steps to rounding. And the purpose is to provide estimates. All right. We can make calculations faster, quicker, not precisely, but somewhat accurate. Here we go. So 17 plus 17 equals what? Well, let's go ahead and round 17 up to 20. Let's come over here. Let's round 17 up to 20. All right. Round up first. All right. You round first and then add. And that's typically what estimating sums are. All right. So whenever you see a word problem that says estimating sums, you round up first and then you add. So 20 plus 20 is 40. All right. Let's give you let's go into our next exercise here. All right. We are going to kind of use the same concept here. 28 plus 39. All right. So what are we doing here? Well, we're going to round up 28. All right. It's going to be 30. Then we're going to round up 39. That's going to be 40. All right. And 30 plus 40 equals 70. 70. All right. It's easier for us to estimate sums and kind of provide somewhat of accurate results instead of doing every single digit precisely, digit by digit. So let's take 515 plus 480. So right now, in the tens place value, we have 1. 1 is less than 5. All right. So we're going to round down. All right. And then we're going to carry 1 over towards the hundreds. All right. Well, excuse me. We're going to leave the hundreds alone. All right. 480, right? Evaluate the 10 here. 8 is greater than 5. All right. And so if it's greater, we're going to drop the 8, replace it with a 0, and then we're going to carry over 1. Here we go. 500, right? So when we do the estimations of sums, we get 500 plus 500, and then we simply just add. So now we've got a total of 1,000. All right. Remember, rounding up, you evaluate or you identify which place value needs to be rounded. Then you make the decision there whether it's 5 or greater or less than 5. If it's 4 or less, you go ahead and you round down. If it's 5 or greater, you round up. All right. Remember the round up and carry. If it's 5 or greater, you're gonna drop the digit to 0, and then you're gonna carry 1 over to the column on the left of it. If the place value is less than 5 or 4 or less, right? What you're gonna do is just replace it with a 0, and everything to the right of it gets occupied with 0. Okay.